All right, I'll give it to him. Dhruva Maharaj's determination was impressive. Maybe there's more to learn from these past ages than I initially thought.
Yeah, I agree. It is really hard to stay negative, especially for someone like me, after seeing his perseverance. Maybe there is some truth to this idea of unwavering faith.
I'm glad that Dhruva Maharaj's story has touched your hearts. Now, let us journey further into Treta Yuga, an age known for its grand rituals and profound devotion.
Whoa, this place looks so different from Satya Yuga. There's a sense of anticipation and purpose here. What's happening in this era, Krishna?
This is Treta Yuga, where devotion is expressed through elaborate rituals and sacrifices. One of the most significant rituals is the Putra Kameshti Yagna, performed by King Dasharatha to be blessed with children. This yagna led to the birth of Lord Ram, an incarnation of me.
Did you all hear that? Lord Rama's birth was the result of a ritual? That sounds fascinating. Can you tell us more about the Putra Kameshti Yagna, Krishna?
The Putra Kameshti Yagna is a sacred fire ritual performed by those seeking to be blessed with children. King Dasharatha performed his yagna with such great devotion and sincerity, and as a result, he was blessed with 4 sons, including Lord Ram, who would go on up to perform great deeds and uphold dharma.
So, this ritual was not about the act itself, but the faith and intention behind it? How powerful!
So from deep meditation in Satya Yuga to grand rituals in Treta Yuga, there's so many ways to connect with the divine.
Each yuga has its own path to devotion. Now, we will witness a dance that glorifies Lord Ram, one of my own incarnations in Treta Yuga. Treta Yuga. Ito apa juga di wajah.
रविकन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कौशलचन्द्र दशरथनन्दनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अङ्गविभूषणम् आजानुभुज शरचापधर सङ्ग्रामजितकर भूषणम् सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अङ्गविभूषणम् आजानुभुज शरचापधर सङ्ग्रामजितकर दूषणं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिकलदलरञ्जनम् इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिकलदलगञ्जनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना
Hare Krishna, everyone.
I have Krishank's pretzel stuck on my foot.
We would like to thank Pushami Garu for showcasing a fantastic ensemble performance. Thanks again, Pushami Garu, for sharing your talent with us. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Pushami Garu for her unwavering kindness and generosity in graciously offering her dance studio as a venue for our Gita Voice classes over the past 5 years. Her dance academy, sharing the same space, has been an invaluable partner, and we deeply appreciate her ongoing support in providing a conducive environment for us to nurture our spiritual journey. Thank you again, Pushami Garu. I would like to, can you please speak a few words?
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Aruna Garu, for giving our kids the opportunity to perform at your annual day celebrations and to serve Krishna year after year. I remember few of our students have performed in the past. And not only that, I'm really happy that the chantings of Krishna and the teachings of Bhagavad Gita happen at our studio and spread the positive vibrations and become a center to impart that culture and heritage to the next generation. Thank you for choosing us as your center for imparting this knowledge. And I am blessed to be a part of this organization in a very small way. And today we have Anika, Varsha, Srisha and Dhriti. You all have done beautifully. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you once again, Pushami, and the dancers of Pushami Academy. Thank you so much for the beautiful dance. I now